Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how you can change the language of Spotify app to any language that you want. So let's get started. First of all, we go to the Spotify app, we open it, of course, and after opening the app, of course, you should have an account with Spotify, and it doesn't matter if your account is free or paid, no problem. So after opening the app, you click on the settings icon in the top right of the screen, and after that, you just scroll down until you find the option called languages. And under this option, you will find another option called app language. You click on it, and as you can see, it tells you change your app language, tap continue to select the language you want your app in. Just click continue, and as you can see here, there is a long list, very long list of languages, and you can change the language of Spotify app to any language just by clicking on that language. So I hope that you liked our video. If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget also to subscribe to our channel. And until the next video, I will say see you soon.